7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number power. On today's show, we will learn all about the number 2. The number 2 is the second number. 1, 2. Say it with me. 2. Good. The number 2 comes after the number 1. Repeat after me. 2. Say it again. 2. Let's try it again. 2. Very well done. Thank you. The number 2 reflects a pair or a couple of things. 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 knees, 2 elbows, 2 tigers, 2 babies. This person is wearing the number 2 on his uniform. When there are 2 people performing, we call this a duet. These 2 musicians are a duet. We say that they are a duet because there are 2 performers. Also, a duet is music prepared in 2 parts. These 2 women are playing tennis. Tennis is a sport that requires 2 players or 2 participants. These 2 men are sawing a log. 2 people on a motorcycle. 2 friends walking together in the park. 2 girls having lunch together. We use the number 2 when someone places second in a race or other competition. This person is the second to reach the finish line. He is in second place. He is number 2. The person who comes in first place is number 1. This is a bicycle. A bicycle has 2 wheels. Do you know how to ride a bicycle? I do. I love to ride a bicycle. The first part of the word bicycle, bi, means 2. A bicycle is a cycle with 2 wheels. Some bicycles have 2 wheels and 2 seats. This is called a tandem. Does that look like fun? I would like to try to ride a tandem with a friend. Words that begin with bi often refer to things that have 2 of something. For example, binoculars have 2 lenses. When there are 2 things together, we refer to them as a double. This cone has 2 scoops of ice cream. It is a double. This bus has 2 levels or decks. It is a double-decker bus. This is a double hamburger. Notice there are 2 pieces of meat in this hamburger. That is why we call it a double, or a double hamburger. Does this make you hungry? The number 2, when added to another number, increases that number by 2. It is very simple. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. What comes next? That's right. 4 plus 2 is 6. Terrific. The number 2, when subtracted from a number, reduces that number by 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. What comes next? That's right. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now here are some things that come in pairs. 2 parents, 2 grandparents, 2 hands, 2 thumbs, 2 eyebrows, and 2 heels. Here are some more. 2 chairs, 2 hot dogs, 2 shoes, 2 boots, 2 socks, 2 smiles, 2 fish, and 2 guitars. Do you know how to play the guitar? How many pairs do you see? That's right, there are 2 pairs. How many apples can you eat? I can eat 2 apples. I like red apples. When something is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. 2 halves make a whole. Sometimes 2 babies are born together. We call them twins. Do you know any twins? I do. Twins can be both sisters, or both brothers, or a sister and a brother. Would you like to have a twin brother? How about a twin sister? Sometimes, when 2 things are together, we call them a couple. These 2 friends are a couple. There are 2. Here are a couple of chickens and a couple of cats. Do you have any pets? Would you like to have a couple of birds? How about a couple of rabbits? To review, 2 dogs, a couple of dogs, a pair of dogs. All of these mean the same thing, 2 dogs. Repeat after me. 2 elephants, 2 homes, 2 toys, 2 pieces of candy, 2 pies, 2 o'clock. That's great. I think you've got it. Now, let's count together. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Good. Let's do it again. 1, 2. Well done. You are doing so well. Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about the number 2. Goodbye. See you next time on Number Power.